Hello, agus fáilte. Is mis Fergus Reoch, is nechtúri mi, a houndin luchtúri a houndin Còisir Lunnainn. Hello, I'm Fergus Reoch. I'm one of the conductors of Còisir Lunnainn, and as part of our celebration of Seachdain the Gàidhlig 2022, I'm going to teach you a song out of this wee yellow book, Ceòl Beann, and that song is number 19, Chuthaig, to the cuckoo. So we're going to start off by having a look at the words for the first verse, then we're going to cover the tune, we're going to put them together, and then we'll have a little look at the words for the other verses. So the words are: O fal chorscht hain a chuig gurm, le doran ceòl vor mílis. O fal chorscht hain a chuig gurm, le doran ceòl vor mílis. That means hello to you, blue cuckoo. It doesn't sound so funny in Gaelic. Hello to you, blue cuckoo, with your sweet musical song. She sherm de viol, se chéitsin och, a hockig braun am chria. She sherm de viol, se chéitsin och, a hockig braun am chria. Your singing in the young month of May lifts the sadness from my heart. Srovin lem duim, se vaten chéit, stuer bar geig sen injish. Srovin lem duim, se vaten chéit, stuer bar geig sen injish. Your song is so sweet of a May morning as you sing it on the topmost branch. Nem fesker cuin, ik boon en stuch, nur wegen druch a Ceilidh. Nem fesker cuin, ik boon en stuch, nur wegen druch a Ceilidh. Or on a calm afternoon on the rock of a hill while the dew settles. So let's take that as a whole verse, just with the words. O fal chorscht hain a chuig gurm, le doran ceòl vor mílis. She sherm de viol se chéitsin och, a hockig braun am chria. Srovin lem duim, se vaten chéit, stuer bar geig sen injish. Nem fesker cuin, ik boon en stuch, nur wegen druch a Ceilidh. Let's have a look at the tune. I'm going to go through it in sol fa with do and re and mi and so, etc. And then we'll stick words on it. If you're not comfortable with sol fa, you can go la 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 or fla fla fla, or just sing the words if you know them already. But I'll be singing it in sol fa for the sake of my own ear as much as anything else. So mi so do ti la do so mi so do re mi re. Fa mi so do ti la do ti do re mi re do ti do re la ti do re mi fa mi re mi re do mi fa la fa mi so do ti re do. We'll take that line by line. So mi so do ti la so mi so do re mi re. With words on, that would be O fal chorscht hain a chuig gurm, le doran ceòl vor mílis. And the next line goes Fa mi so do ti la do ti do re mi re do. She sherm do viol se chéitsin och, a hockig braun am chria. Third line. Do ti do re la ti do re mi fa mi re. Srovilem duim sa vaten chéit, stuer bar geig san injish. Fourth line. Re mi re do mi fa la fa mi so do ti re do. Fesgur Cúnaig Beann stuk, nur wegen druk a Ceilidh. So we'll put that all together with words now. O George Tain a Chuthaig garam, le doran Ceòl for milish, she sherm do fiol sa chéitjanach, a hockig bron am chrie, srovin lam dum sa vaten chéit, stuher magig san ish, nam Fesgur Cúnaig Beann stuk, nur wegen druk a Ceilidh. So we've got the first verse, and the good news is that all of the other verses follow the same tune exactly. So let's go through the words for the second verse. We'll do this a little bit faster than we did for the first verse, but of course you can pause and repeat if you are so minded. O Inish Ka Chin Rota Hriel, nur va na Shean ten Fianar. Tell me where your journey took you when the fierce winds were cold. Nun roed tost, gin Ceilidh dorst, and cos and chroch verguer. Or were you quiet, weak, and destitute beneath the hill in darkness? Smor maramet rut, a Chuthaig chor, chedgianu braun at Ceòl. I envy you, dear cuckoo. You do not get sad in your journey. Chian hada gor a dunen garam, sta chrí and colne suach. For your woods are always green and your heart always cheerful. We'll take that as a whole second verse. O Inish Ka Chin Rota Hriel, nur va na Shean ten Fianar. Nun roed host, gin Ceilidh dorst, and cos a chroch verguer. Smor maramet rut, a Chuthaig chor, chedgianu braun at Ceòl. Chian hada gor a dunen garam, sta chrí and colne suach. We'll sing that now. O Inish Ka Chin Rota Hriel, nur va na Shean ten Fianar. Nun roed os gin Ceilidh dorst, and cos a chroch verguer. Smor maramet rut a Chuthaig chor, chedgianu braun at Ceòl. Chian hada gor dunen garam, sta chrí and colne suach. And the third and final verse, we'll take it through like the others, line by line, then all together, and then sung. Gedheches tu roin nuich geram, gum feich de glew nu richt. Though you flee when the cold comes, your glen will see you again. Ach nur ver misha rish machol, chavi magul Ceilidh. But when I set off, my back to it, I do not expect to return. Is truig nach burein ron le triel, aster skia na gish. It's a pity that I cannot go on the journey with you, the two of us a wing's breadth apart. Le cashmach gveen, dorst fiskach am, nur wegen saurig cheen. With a sweet marching tune giving notice each time when the summer is coming. Gedheches tu roin nuich geram, gum feich do glew nu richt. Ach nur ver misha rish machol, chavi magul Ceilidh. Is terug nach buren rolle triel, aster skia na gish, le cashmach vin dorst fiskacham, nur wegen saurig cheen. So that is the end of song number 19, Don Chuthaig. Please keep an eye out on all of our social media for other teaching videos and videos of choir members singing other songs as part of our celebration for Seachdain Gàidhlig 2022. For more information about Còisir Lunnainn, you can see our website, which is www.coisilunnainn.org. We're on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and probably something else, YouTube, at Còisir Lunnainn. And you can find out more about Seachdain Gàidhlig at seachdaingaidhlig.scot. So please do have a look there. Bye-bye.